Chantal Moore, and today I'm going to show you how to cover stretch marks. All of us have them somewhere. They're really easy to have happen. If you lose weight rapidly, if you lose weight at all, your skin takes some time to sort of snap back to shape. So stretch marks are a very common occurrence, and they can occur anywhere on your body, from your face down to your toes. So if you have areas with stretch marks that you have some concerns about, today is for you. I'm going to show you how to easily blend away and diffuse those stretch marks so that they're nearly imperceptible, and you'll feel better about yourself as a result. To do that, we're going to use Dermablend's Leg and Body Tattoo Primer. So Jessica here on her neck, she has a spot that's very similar to a stretch mark. It's not necessarily an area where the skin is raised, but it's definitely close enough to a stretch mark that I'll be able to show you the effects of this Leg and Body Tattoo Primer on this mark. I'm going to use my finger and just place it all along this mark right here. Using your finger helps to warm up the product, and it makes it more pliable and much easier to distribute over the scar or stretch mark. And you just want to tap that over the area and just blend. So you can see with just one light layer that I've applied that already the skin tone has improved. And you just add layers upon that to change the texture and to refine the texture. But instantly, just touching it really lightly, you can see that coloring just start to blend right into the skin. So you can see how beautifully this blended out the coloration in that stretch mark-like area right there, really beautifully. The thing with stretch marks is that they do tend to be raised, which this wasn't necessarily a raised area, but the coloring, you can see this coverage is just perfectly blended that away. Now when you have something, an area or a stretch mark that's raised, what a product like this will do for you is it will serve just to diffuse that light and mattify the area. That's a really important factor in stretch mark coverage and blending. So a product like this is just going to change the light. It's going to help smooth it, almost smooth it down in appearance. As the last step, I'm going to lightly tap some powder right onto the spot, very light, just enough to really set that coverage, but not really enough to sort of change the color. You want it to just be very, very light, a light dusting, a light translucent dusting, and just tap it onto the area, and that will seal that coverage and just make the appearance that much more smoother and softer and flatter. The great thing about a product like this for stretch mark coverage is that it's going to have that durability and that wearability that you need. You can have the confidence of knowing that if you have some stretch marks on your body that you'd like to diffuse and smooth, that that's not going to wash away in the ocean. This coverage will stay on your skin. It will provide a matte, flat surface, so you can definitely put that bathing suit on again. You will have that confidence to be able to show your body. And there you have it, how to cover stretch marks. I'm Chantal Moore.